Hello guys! After a long time, I'm back with a recipe. These dahivada are super delicious and nutritious. You can have it like cutlets or falafel or even dipped in the yogurt like normal dahivadas. So let's see what's in for today's video. And not just dahi vadas, you will be having a super delicious and nutritious green yogurt dip in today's recipe. I have started my preparation by chopping 250 grams of broccoli florets and boiling around 6 to 7 potatoes. These are sago pearls. I am taking medium-sized sago pearls, sabudana. Soak half cup of sago pearls and half cup of water. Now grate 4 medium-sized potatoes. After mixing in the sago pearls and potatoes, I am adding the broccoli and few chopped chili. Next is to add around 300 grams of flaxseed powder. It will be around 2 cups. You may grind the flax seeds into powder in your home also, no problem at all. Salt according to taste, chili powder or black pepper if you like to add, turmeric, only a pinch just to add a little bit of color. Cumin seeds. Mix all this very well. Our second last step is to shape this mixture into round patties or the shape you like to make. Once I am done shaping these into medium-sized patties, now it's only your choice either to shallow fry these or to air fry or even bake these. I will also bake these patties. Please make sure not to add extra water in the mixture, otherwise these cutlets or vadas, they will soak extra oil. Or like I am doing, you may bake these. Beautiful. After these are thoroughly cooked, you will have many options. Like you may make falafel, you may try to chop a healthy salad like I have done with 1 green apple, little bit of lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and then I will be adding around 2 tablespoons of sauce. This is ready to eat, or stuff this into pita bread. It will taste awesome with a dip. Like this, hummus also you can try. This dish will taste better, tastier if you make a homemade hummus. It will be smooth textured, and remove the skin of the chickpeas once soaked. Soak the chickpeas for around 8 hours, then remove the skin and blend this along with garlic paste, 1 cube of ice, salt, olive oil and pepper. This is ready. Homemade hummus can be relished with these falafel. Spice up this hummus with extra virgin olive oil and this pink powder. You are wondering what it is? It is sumac, a Middle Eastern herb. The third and the most nutritious dish in this video is the greens dip, which is Bathu raita. You have to boil around 200 grams of bathu leaves, and if it's not available, you may boil fenugreek leaves or cilantro. Blend this to a paste and mix it into the yogurt with spices like garlic, ginger, and cumin seeds powder, along with salt and pepper. For other recipe videos, please go through my playlist. You will be happy to watch my other videos as well. I will be back with another vlog or recipe. See you guys in my next episode. Bye bye.